Hello everyone, today we are in with the science experiment of frying tea bag. The material that we need is a scissors to cut the tea bag, a tea bag, a foil, something to put down the tea, and something to light our fire. Let's go to look at the experiment. First, we cut the tea bag. And then pour the tea out. Next, we make the tea bag into the cylinder shape. Make sure that your tea bag has a hole inside with a cylinder shape. Then we light the fire up at the top in every direction.